10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Climate change is making the earth warmer. Forests are disappearing, oceans are filling with plastic, and extreme weather is becoming more common. This problem hurt nature and people everywhere.
Class, today's discussion is all about global issues. No? How it can affect global issues about climate change and environmental changes. No? So, who can define it? Yes.
Ito ba yung pabababang panahon ng klima usually caused by people by burning fuels?
Very good, Mr. Raven. Any other answers for that? Sir. Yes.
So sa environmental degradation naman po, ito po yung pagsira ng mga tao sa ating paligid po na example po nito yung pagtatapon po ng basura kung saan-saan. Tsaka po, example din po ng mga pabrika, tsaka yung mga sasakyan po, buwa po na po sa human activities such as deforestation, plastic pollution, and industrial waste can accelerate these risks.
Extreme heat waves are becoming more frequent. In 2023 alone, part of Asia and Europe faced record-breaking temperatures that caused thousands of deaths.
Ang tagal naman ng tricycle, sobrang init. Hindi naman ganito dati ang panahon.
Sabi sa balita, mas lumala pa ang heatwave ngayon.
Ay nako, hindi na nagbago-bago ang panahon.
Climate change is not just an environmental problem. It's an economic one. Storms and heat waves damage farms and factories. Roads and ports get destroyed, making it hard to trade goods.
Magandang umaga, Miss Sophia. Maaari po ba namin kayo ma-interview
Yes
about
po, pwede.
sa kung paano po kayo nakakasurvive kapag po may ganitong pabago-bagong klima?
Yes po.
So, paano po kayo nakakasurvive?
Kapag umiinit po dahil sa climate change, madalang po ang customer. Kaya gumagawa po ako ng paraan para makahanap po ako ng pangbebenta ko. Thank you.
Magandang araw po, Miss. Maaari po ba namin ikaw ma-interview about po sa nagiging epekto po ng climate change sa inyong pang-araw-araw na buhay?
Nako, ang mahal na ng bilihan ngayon. Kaya ang hirap bumili ng pagkain para sa pamilya.
Natural disaster destroy businesses and home. When shop close, workers lose wages. When farms fail, food become expensive.
Scientists estimated that by 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in the ocean by weight. Marine biodiversity is collapsing under pollution, overfishing, and rising sea temperatures.
Ang agriculture ay mas lalong nagiging vulnerable. Ang pagbabago ng rainfall at extreme heat ay nagre-reduce ng crop yields na kung saan naman ay nagtitreat ito sa food security.
Dahil sa pabago-bagong panahon, namamatay ang mga tanim namin. At nahihirapan kami magtanim ng panibago dahil mas malaki pa ang gastos kaysa sa kita namin.
I need more logging so we can make more profit.
But sir, that means cutting down rainforests that absorbs carbon dioxide.
Forests don't make money. Business works. Dismiss.
Every year, millions of people leave their homes to find safety, work, or a better life. This movement of people is called migration. It is one of the biggest challenge and stories of our time.
Ay, naku. Gusto ko na lumaki ang mga anak ko sa mas maayos na lugar, dun sa may ikakabuhay, safe at may makakain.
So ano pong purpose ng pagpuprotesta ninyo?
We are the generation that will inherit this crisis. We demand clean energy, climate justice, and a livable future.
What do we want?
Action sa klima! Action sa klima!
When do we want?
Ngayon na! Ngayon na!
Ano ba ang presyo ng fishball?